Hi guys, it's afternoon. I'm just getting around. You're gonna find out that I get around later than most people. I think we should go brick hunting today. Doesn't that sound like fun? Oh, brick hunting? What in the world is that? Let's go to the thrift shops. Let's go see what we can find. I think I'm only gonna go to 3. Let's see, what are the 3 I want to go to? DAV, Disabled American Vets, Goodwill, and Salvation Army. So those are the 3 thrift shops that, let's go see what they have Christmas-wise. It should be fun. And let me get out of my daytime jammies. Got it? Yeah, thank you.
Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time. Smile, my dear. Come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be dancing round the tree. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. We know the time is short. We blink and then it's gone. So we better make the most of what we've got. So take your neighbor by the hand and join the dance parade before the clock strikes and it's all too late. We know the time is short. We blink and then it's gone. So we better make the most of what we've got. So take your neighbor by the hand and join the dance parade before the clock strikes and it's all too late. Come on in, come on up, come on over. It's the friendliest time of year. Come on up, come on in, nothing better than to give the gift of cheer. So come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be singing all them songs. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3.
That was overwhelming. I didn't find anything either.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got
they got some good stuff. I'm excited. Hey, I am back from the thrift stores and I wanted to show you what I got. So you can see these here, right there. I got these really cool things. I have a special project for those. You'll see later on in VLOGMAS. Let me show you these closer up. And then I got some baskets. Just a bunch of those. I don't need to show you all the baskets about. They got this really pretty jingle bell wreath. I think I'm gonna put that on the front door. Here, I wanted to show you. So we did have these plates growing up. This is what we ate off of for dinner every day. This is our daily china. I didn't buy the ones that we saw there, but I thought that was pretty cool that it was there. I had the opportunity to buy more of these. I cannot get those gray plates off my mind. They were so pretty. I'm hoping they're still there. And I think I'm gonna have to go back up and get them and we can have our Christmas dinner off of them. Leave me a comment below if you think you know which gray set I'm talking about. That's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you sometime tomorrow. Bye!